Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing Precise S7 golf club set, which is available on Amazon for $387 plus shipping. Before starting my video, I just want to note that I'm not a professional golfer or even an expert on the golf clubs. So this is a gift from my wife for our anniversary, and I tried to do some research before getting this product, but what I have seen is there's not much information. So I'm not an expert again, so I'm not going to be making any technical comments during my unboxing video. But I just want to make sure you guys can see what to expect for the $387 you will be spending on this product. All right, let's start. So the product comes in a box and with a plastic wrap. I just removed those, and this is before opening the package. So it has a plastic cover at the top. It is attachable from here, detachable from here. It also has a zipper actually right here. You can even open directly. I think this is a kind of a rain cover. Can be useful to store this product. So I'm just unboxing it, opening the zipper, and you can see actually there is standing legs over here actually, which opens whenever you tilt the cover, the bundle. And there are a lot of actually zipper around. There is one over here, which is, I don't know what for this is. I think it's called for golf clubs or every forms. So you can, I think there's plenty of storage actually over here, right? So it's just, this opens inside. This is pretty big, and there's also another pocket over here. There's another one here. I believe this is for shoes. There's another one here. This is sort of a smaller one. There's one more pocket here, and there's also another pocket, the open packet here without zipper. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pockets. Plenty of room for storing your golf balls and shoes as well. So let's remove this rain cover. So it has a handle over here to carry. Whenever I just lift it, the legs just automatically pops down and pops out again. So it has two different straps over here, so to carry. And there's a handle over here. There's a handle over here, and what we get is we get actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 woods and or drivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 irons and 1 putter. All right, let's uncover these drivers and see what we get. So these are actually very good quality covers for the woods. So this is the 10.5 white dirt wood. You can see it comes with a plastic cover. the grip is pretty good. It feels good. I think it's a little bit foamy and plastic combination. It says it's made in China, and this is how the driver looks like. Alright, this is the first one. Let's put it back. This is number 24. I'm not really sure what they mean, or is it the diameter? You guys tell me. Again, very similar grip and long. So I'm gonna remove all the covers so you can see how it looks like. It comes with the plastic wrap also, so I have to remove these. Irons. Let's take out the first iron. Nice grip again. So this is number 5. It feels nice. Alright, let's put it back. This is number 6. Pretty similar. Nice clean surface. Good handle again. It says Precise Golf over here. Let's open the putter. I think this set comes with an extra iron, sand iron or sand pitcher. So I will also show that to you as well. So this is the putter. A bigger grip. It has a flat surface over here on the top. The putter looks like this. Let's remove the plastic covers. I think it's hard plastic. Or no, actually it's metal. Yeah, it's metal actually, yeah. It feels pretty nice again. There's a liner over here. Let's get there's a pitcher over here. This is pitcher. Again, very smooth. I like it. I mean, the quality seems so very good actually. Like, I wasn't really sure because after my wife told me that she purchased this product, I went to online and seriously, as I said, like there was no video or any information on this. There was like only the manufacturer website. I wasn't really sure. Like I saw that really good reviews online. There are like 121 reviews on Amazon, but I wasn't really sure like if they're reliable or not. But this product is in the range of, I think, Wilson SGI profile, which is, I think, again an beginner to intermediate kind of club set. Its price was, I think, $359, but it was out of stock during this time of the year. They're getting very popular. We actually purchased it by mistake. We purchased the senior version of it by mistake, and we returned it, and then I ended up purchasing this one. I don't know, like I hope this video is helpful for you guys, seeing what you should expect from this product. From a quality perspective, it seems to be pretty nice. As I said, I'm not an expert, so I won't be able to make any comment on if it is a good club or not. I believe like it's what you get what you pay, right? So it's not a very expensive club. It's not cheap as well, so it's like in the middle range, I would say. But it says high modulus, low torque graphite, version 6 V6. That's it, guys. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you want to learn more about this tool. I might just even record a new video after I play. I go to a driving range and see how it feels you shooting with this club. All right, thank you very much for watching.